Hey guys, it's Shannon from Marketplace All Courses, and in this video I want to talk about the correlation between sponsored campaigns and the search terms that your product organically ranks for. So one of the things that I see really often with brand owners is they don't want to pay for a search term in their sponsored campaigns that they're organically ranking for. Now in some cases this is their own brand name, and people will say, I don't want to pay and have somebody accidentally click on the sponsored listing for my brand name because I'm already organically ranking for that. So can we add my brand name as a negative phrase or negative exact match in my campaigns? And the answer is absolutely no, you don't want to do that. And the reason is you want to do it for brand protection. In fact, you want to overbid on your brand name, because the last thing that you want is to build brand equity and then have somebody else start bidding on your brand name and basically be able to steal sales right out from under your nose. So you always want to overbid on your own brand name, and that makes sure that even if people do click on your brand name or your sponsored product listings for your brand name, that you are getting the sale, you're getting the customer, and the cost per click is generally going to be pretty low because unless you have a lot of competition, nobody else is going to be bidding on it. Now, the other thing that you want to make sure of is that the search terms that you're organically ranking for, you are also bidding on in your sponsored products. And the reason is because you are guaranteeing and ensuring your long-term organic ranking. So every time somebody clicks on a search term, whether it's through a sponsored listing or an organic listing, and buys that product, that helps your product increase in organic ranking for that term. So I had a client call me the other day and said, I'm bidding on the search term, but I paused it in the campaign because I'm already organically ranking for it. I didn't want to pay for it. And again, the idea is that you want to increase your success. You want to increase your organic ranking. So you always want to bid on the terms that your product converts for. And the more you do that, the better you convert, the less those cost per clicks are going to be. And you always want to adjust the bid if it's not cost effective for you. But make sure that you're bidding on your own brand name and you're bidding on the terms that your product organically ranks for to ensure that you're getting that real estate. So whether they see the sponsored listing at the top or the organic rankings, that your product is there. I hope you find this video helpful. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or follow, and thanks for watching.